We're going to be looking at part 3 of this question, and we are supposed to find the greatest possible and the least possible of the probability of A prime intersect B prime intersect C prime. And the very first thing that we should do is to let the probability of A prime intersect B prime intersect C prime be equal to X. And the next thing is to try to draw a Venn diagram so that we can make use of the area that is on the Venn diagram to let us have a better idea of X. So let me draw a generic Venn diagram for events A, B, C. Let's say here we have A, here we have B, and this shall be C. According to the question, the probability of A intersect B intersect C is equal to 0.1. So here is 0.1. And the region that is outside A and outside B and outside C is X. So here will be X. Let's try to fill in as many regions as possible that are related to X. For example, I think we will be able to fill in the probability of this region. The region that is outside A, outside B, and inside C, this region here. Because to find this region, what we will need to do is to take this minus away A union B. So let me just try to find what is the probability of A union B first. Probability of A union B is going to be probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersect B. Probability of A is given to us. This is equal to 0.45. Probability is also given to us. This is equal to 0.4. The question says that A and B, they are independent. So probability of A intersect B is going to be the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. So it will be 0.45 multiplied by 0.4. And this is going to be equal to 0.67. And this will help me to find this region here. The region that is outside A, outside B, and inside C. So this will be me taking 1 minus away everything that is outside. So minus X minus away probability of A union B. So it is going to be 1 minus X minus away 0.67. And this is going to be equal to 0.33 minus X. We will use the same strategy to find this region. But of course, since we already found this, I should put this here. So 0.33 minus X. Okay, this, it will help me to have a better idea of what I have calculated and what I have not. So let me remember the next round when I try to find this, I'll put it in. So I'm going to try to find this. And to find that, I will first find the area of probability of A union C. It is going to be probability of A plus probability of C minus probability of A intersect C. Probability of A is given to us by the question, 0.45. Probability of C is 0.3. The question says that A and C, they are independent. So probability of A intersect C is going to be probability of A multiplied by probability of C. So A union C, this is going to be equal to 0.615. And since we have found this, now we can use the same strategy to find probability of the region that is outside A, inside B, and outside C. This region over here. So for this, it is going to be 1 minus X minus away probability of A union C. So this is going to be 1 minus X minus away 0.615. And this is going to be equal to 0.385 minus X. Okay, so now I remember. This region here is 0.385 minus X. There is actually one more region that I know I will be able to relate it back to X, which is this region here. And to find this region, what I'll do is I'll take everything, which is 1, minus away x, minus away this, and I'll minus away A, probability of A. Okay, so that region, this region over here will be symbol-wise, it is going to be probability of a region that is outside A and inside B and inside C at the same time. So just like what I've strategized, I'm going to take 1 minus away x, minus away this, which is going to be the probability of A, minus away this, minus away this. So it will be minus away 0.33 minus x minus 0.385 minus x. And this will help me to reduce it to be probability of A is given to me by the question is 0.45, and this will be x minus 0.165. So now we have all the probabilities that are related to x, and in general, probabilities are always going to be between 0 to 1. So let me start from here. If I were to start there, I know that x is going to be between 0 and 1. As for the next one here, another probability that is related to x, I know 0.33 minus x. This is going to be between 0 to 1. And making x the subject, this is going to be negative 0.67, and x here will be 0.33. Then after this, it will be here, this. So we will have 0.385 minus x. This is going to be between 0 to 1 also. And this will be a x to be between negative 0.615 and 0.385. And finally, this, we will have x minus 0.165. This is going to be between 0 and 1. This tells me that x is going to be between 0.165 and 1.165. Okay, so now these are all the possible range of values of x that must be satisfied at the same time. So we know x is going to be bigger than 0, bigger than this, and bigger than this, which means that x will be bigger or equal to 0.165. X has to be less than 1 and x has to be less than 0.33, less than or equal to this, less than or equal to this, which means that x is going to be less than or equal to 0.33. So this is the range of values of x. And what is x? X is the probability of A prime intersect B prime intersect C prime. So this is going to give me the least possible, right? So therefore, the least possible of probability of A prime intersect B prime intersect C prime is going to be 0.165. And the greatest possible value for this is going to be 0.33. So according to what the question is asking, the greatest probability of A prime intersect B prime intersect C prime is going to be equal to 0.33.